Hello! I just released version 1 of the critical thinking bot, which is amazing because literally a year ago, it's raining, it's London, lol. A year ago, I literally did not know how to code, and now I'm like coding my first like tech tool. So that's exciting. And this is part of documenting my process, as I always talk about with Project 2026. So I just want to say that I really just want to reimagine how we think about tech in the age of AI. I feel like tech should make us smarter and more focused and take away a lot of the distractions and drudgery that we're so used to. And yeah, I'm very excited about what is to come. And as someone who is getting her PhD, I think it's also just really helpful to see that there's nothing wrong with learning something new and trying out something new. And yeah, just spending time trying to expand your capabilities. Because a lot of people are like, why are you learning how to code? Why are you learning Python if you can just like vibe code everything? And for me, it's like, well, number one, I love intellectual challenges. I love constantly having my neurons fire in a new way. And yeah, I mean, part of critical thinking is like introducing more friction that we've taken away because of tech, and not all friction is bad. So yeah, I am about to go hang out with some AI engineers to talk about like fine tuning an LLM, which I'm very excited about. And I hope my growth is encouraging to other people. And I hope more people understand that they can, literally shoot for the stars. Anything is possible these days. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys are having a great day. And I need to get out the rain. Bye.